Atazanavir falls under a class of anti-HIV drugs known as protease inhibitors, abbreviated as PIs. To understand how Atazanavir works, let's first dive deeper into the process by which HIV gets created after HIV has hijacked our host cell DNA. In following the blueprint to make HIV, our cells carry out a few steps to create the final HIV. First, the cell creates all sorts of viral RNA, including the genetic code of the virus and what is called messenger RNA, or mRNA. The mRNA is converted to viral proteins, known as viral polyproteins. These viral polyproteins are what are known as precursors. This is because these polyproteins are the precursor to the final viral proteins. Thus, the next step in the HIV creation process is the conversion of the precursor viral polyproteins to the final mature viral proteins. These mature viral proteins are then packaged in the final HIV virus, which then goes on to infect other cells and continue the rapid proliferation of HIV. To convert the viral polyproteins into the final mature viral proteins, the polyproteins must be cut up. An enzyme known as HIV protease is required for this process. Think of HIV protease as a pair of scissors. HIV protease cuts the precursor polyproteins to create the final mature viral proteins. The mature viral proteins formed are crucial for the assembly of new mature HIV viruses and play a large role in the ability for HIV to infect new cells. Thus, one way we can help limit the spread of HIV within our body is to find a way to prevent the cutting of the polyprotein precursors. This is where Atazanavir comes in. Atazanavir is a protease inhibitor, and it does exactly what it sounds like it does. It inhibits protease. Continuing with the scissors analogy, Atazanavir binds directly to the blades of the HIV protease. By binding to the blades, Atazanavir basically blocks the HIV protease from cutting the precursor polyproteins. As a result, mature viral proteins cannot be created. The final result are HIV viruses that are known as immature, as they do not contain the mature viral proteins. The absence of the mature viral proteins is major, as immature HIV viruses do not have the ability to infect new cells. Thus, we've essentially halted the rapid infection of new cells that would have led to the rapid increase in HIV in our body. Thus, Atazanavir helps our body control the viral load of HIV in our body by preventing the formation of mature viral proteins and thus preventing the formation of mature HIV viruses. This then prevents new HIV viruses from infecting new cells and thus slows down the progression of HIV.